Okay, you guys, we're here with the Blade mCPX. As you see, very nice helicopter. If we can get it close up here. Okay, and now we're going to zoom it back out to normal. Okay, so here we are. Here's the Blade mCPX, because it's micro. It looks like a little MSR. The only difference is it can do 3D. It can do inverted, all your cool little tricks. Okay, so what we got here is your mCPX. It's got 3 cyclic servos, not like the little MSR. This thing has 3 cyclic servos, so it's able to switch the pitch of the blades. Let's show you a little bit how this pitch works. Here's one of your 200 milliamp batteries that come with it. Comes with 2 of these 200 milliamp batteries. Let's plug this in. Let's first turn on our radio to be safe. Make sure the throttle is off for your safety, or just so it'll go on. Start it up, put throttle on, hold on, just for safety purposes, so it doesn't hit you and do any cuts. Now we are going to plug it in. You're always going to want it to wait for it to bind. Okay, there we go. Now we know it's bound. Okay, so here's the blades, how the movements are. As you see, this is on your radio. Here's your aileron, and you can see the servos move with it. Here's your elevator, here's your pitch, and here's your tail servo. Obviously it's not on, so this little direct drive motor, which they were very nice and added a direct drive motor, simplifies things and makes it a lot more responsive and makes the tail hold a lot better, in my opinion. Okay, so pretty much what you're going to want to do if you've got a DX7 or any other radio, disengage it from throttle hold, and then slowly idle it up. You want to make sure your gyros are initialized right, then you can take off the ground. Very nice helicopter, as you see. Okay, so that's how you get the thing off the ground. So, here are the basics. I like the nice little blue light that they do incorporate on this helicopter. Makes it really easy to see and tell which way you're going. Let's unconnect it and show you a little bit about it. Okay, so as we see, we can pull out this 200 milliamp battery, just like you get 2 of these, remember. These batteries are 1.3S 25C 1 cell 3.7 volt 25C 200 milliamp lipos that you get with it. The blades, very flexible, as you see, not going to break as easy. You could possibly break these blades, but the chance of doing it is a little bit harder than your average 450 or bigger helicopter. Let's turn our radio off. If you do want to bind this helicopter, you're going to have to plug your battery in with your radio off, plug it in just like so, just as if you're powering it up, leave it go, and now you can see the light on here blinking. What you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to hold the back button on your radio and switch your radio on. We have already bound our helicopter, so we don't have to worry about that, and then you're going to wait till the light stays solid blue, and then it initializes and you'll be ready. Okay, so next thing is let's chart how to charge this thing. Well, I actually really like this new charger that Blade and E-Flight put in. It's a it says E-Flight AC to 6 volt DC adapter. Also, they give you the Selectra lipo charger. Very nice. Okay, let's show you how to use this. So we've got our 6 volt DC current, and then we got to plug it into a AC outlet. So we're going to plug it in just like so. Okay, as you see, lights are on. You can change the amperage with the plus and minus here. You can charge these up to 7 amps, and as the manual reads, read your warning and your instructions before operating all of your machinery. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use your stuff. This is really nice right here, this connector, because you can also use this with your MSR, MCX batteries, your other batteries that you might have with your other micro airplanes and helicopters. So it makes it nice that you can use the same charger. What they do give you is a nice balance, or a nice adapter, which you plug in. There's a red dot and a red dot. You want to line those up and plug those together, just like so. Just like that. Red lines up. And now you can now you have the charger adapter for the bigger battery. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that these red dots line up, plug it in just like so, and you're going to want to hit this one time, and as it starts to blink, that means it's going to charge. When we're done charging, all these lights will start blinking, and that will mean your charging process has finished. Right now our charger is charging our battery, so we could leave this, and I believe it is done right now. So this is what it's going to look like when your battery is done. Very nice charger. I really think it's a great charger for starting off, or just for your extra charger. It's better than using your Hyperion or your Duo or any kind of other LiPo charger you have. So here's your battery all set and charged, so you can easily unplug this, and then unplug it right here, and just as easily as it came out, take your battery and slide it straight in the slot in the bottom. Give it a nice slide until it stops. Then if you want to restart the helicopter back up, turn your radio on, engage throttle hold, plug your battery in, just like so. Get it plugged in. And it seems like our helicopter is bound again. So, disengage throttle hold, and you're back to flying your Blade mCX, and